Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the authentic, the real, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheese YouTube, commentators, imposters, or trolls, or unauthorized ghosts, and this is Pittsburgh Paranormal Unboxing. I receive another book from my paranormal collection, Paranormal Pit, Ghost Stories and Legends of the University of Pittsburgh by M.L. Swain. And I went to Pitt for a year in the late 60s in the Gifted Students program. And so this has not many pictures, but it covers the University of Learning, they call it Cathedral, not University of Learning, Cathedral of Learning, Pittsburgh Associated Universities, Alumni Hall, Bruce Hall, Johnstown, Pennsylvania, the city that beat death, the ghost of Lillian Russell, Byers Hall, Community College of Allegheny County. I think that's the one that bought the Pittsburgh Playhouse and tore it down. Carlow University, Chatham College, Bix Hall Spooks, Berry Hall, Duquesne University, Pitt's Haunted Branch Campuses, Bradford, Pennsylvania, Johnstown, Pennsylvania with the Great Flood. I went to knew the daughter of the mayor of Johnstown. Greenberg, UPG, Greenberg's Paranormal Campus. The Rossetti House. Titusville Area Terrors. And Why is Pitt Haunted? Paranormal Pit Afterward. So this runs about 11 chapters plus an afterword, no index, and it is 133 pages. So when it cools down, which will not be till Monday, today was 88, and it was 88 in my apartment. It's 84 now. It's like an oven in here. Tomorrow will be 95. I got to go out and get cat litter. Friday I go to Patty's. It's going to be over 90 every day this week until next Monday. And then it's in the 80s. So this is nuts for October. All right. I'll do a review of this when I'm able to read it without gasping for air. So Paranormal Pit, if you're into the University of Pittsburgh, ever wondered if it's haunted? Yes, it is. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Have an adult beverage. Remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month where you see content nowhere else. Have a great night, a great morning, and I will catch you next time. And watch the skies and watch out for the hallways, because you never know what be coming down the hallway in the dead of night. Bye-bye for now. See you later.